Hey guys, I wanted to take a break from my normal projects to tell you about a really cool lighter. So Elementium Lighter sent me some samples, and as you know, I love gadgets, and these things are the coolest lighters I've ever seen. They sent two different ones, the Time Burner Watch and the Plasmatic X. Let's go over the Time Burner Watch first. So the Time Burner Watch is pretty cool. It's made to look like a Rolex, but it's actually got a secret in it. And what happens is, if you push down on the watch face, there's actually a small, what looks like a cigarette lighter behind it. So that actually allows you to light up a cigarette or cigarella or something. I don't smoke personally, but this still is really cool. And it's got a safety. As you can see, it just turned off again because you left it on too long. So you gotta close it again. And if you open, there you go. So let's try burning something with it. So as you can see, it pretty much looks like a normal watch. It is a little bit fat though, but you know, for the price of having a lighter built in, it's pretty darn cool. So again, like I said, I don't actually smoke, so I don't really have a day-to-day use for this, although it does tell time. That being said, when I'm wearing it, I kind of feel like James Bond, and there have been a few circumstances where someone's asked for a light, and I've been able to give them my watch and be like, here you go, and trust me, it blows their mind. So the second lighter they sent, I'm really excited for. It's called the Plasmatic X, and I actually have a good use for this for a future project. And this is a fully rechargeable lighter. This is the future of lighters. I don't understand why we're still using butane for lighters, because look, it's got a micro USB port on the bottom and it's actually rechargeable. So the neat thing with this is it's making that X with the arcing electricity, and that's actually really fascinating because the way it works, they're actually alternating at a super high frequency on and off each arc, because otherwise it would just arc to the other contact on the same side and you wouldn't get that X. So there's actually quite a bit of tech inside this little lighter. Now the reason I really like it is this is way better than a pilot light. And what do you use a pilot light for? A flamethrower. So I'm going to make a flamethrower with the Exoskeleton, and this is a fantastic flame starter. Just take a look. So the beauty with this is there's just a button to turn it on, which means we can solder a longer wire onto there and have a remote button elsewhere. And then, if you have an aerosol spray can or something similar, you can very easily get a very awesome flamethrower effect. Anyways, these lighters are the coolest. If you want to see more about them, click on the link in the description and check them out. They're elementiumlighter.com. Also, did I mention this one's basically a miniature taser? It's also windproof. So remember the Mark I Iron Man suit with the flamethrower? Yeah, I think we're going to use this as our ignition source for that. So stay tuned to see this in a future video.